One of the biggest reasons TPT products do not get seen is because sellers optimize listings for themselves instead of for teachers. Hi, I'm Shelley Antone. I've worked inside the TPT marketplace for over 17 years and have watched the platform evolve dramatically. And one of the biggest shifts that changed my business was realizing this. Visibility on TPT is not just about having good products. It's about whether teachers can actually find and understand those products quickly. And this is where a lot of sellers accidentally create problems because they build listings based on what they personally like, what sounds creative, what looks pretty, or what makes sense to them. But teachers are not searching TPT as sellers. They are searching as overwhelmed buyers. They are typing quickly, scanning quickly, deciding quickly. And if your listing does not immediately align with what they are looking for, visibility suffers. Here's what most sellers underestimate. TPT is heavily driven by search behavior, which means discoverability matters enormously. Teachers are searching using specific language, specific needs, specific problems, and strong visibility usually comes from alignment, not creativity, not clever wording, not vague titles. Alignment. Can TPT understand what your product is? Can teachers instantly understand what your product is? Does your listing align with how teachers actually search? Because when that alignment is weak, visibility weakens too. And this is why some genuinely good products struggle to grow. Not because the product is bad, but because the listing is difficult to discover. This was something I had to learn myself. For years, I thought products needed to sound impressive or unique. But eventually, I realized clarity beats cleverness on TPT every time. Because teachers are not browsing TPT like Pinterest, they are usually searching with a very specific goal. And the easier you make it for them to identify, yes, this is exactly what I need, the stronger visibility usually becomes. One of the biggest mindset shifts for TPT sellers is realizing your listing is not for you. It is for teacher search behavior, teacher decision making, and teacher clarity. And when you start optimizing for those things, visibility changes dramatically. A lot of sellers keep trying to improve products when the real issue is that teachers cannot easily find or understand those products in the first place. If you want help identifying what is currently limiting your TPT growth, use the free TPT Growth Constraint Finder found below. It will help you pinpoint your constraint in your store so you can make clearer growth decisions. And in the next video, I'm going to break down why TPT titles matter far more than most sellers realize, and how titles impact visibility inside search. I'll see you in the next video.